Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Filmora, and let's see today how to animate zoom in Filmora. I have an image. Let's drag and drop it into timeline, and because right now the duration of this frame is 5 seconds, let's do it something like 15, for example, and zoom in a little bit. Then, to start the animation, let's do double left click on the mouse, and here you can see the basic properties of our image and the scale. Scale is exactly what we need. Okay, now you can see the scale is 100% on both directions and the scale is locked. It means if we are changing one scale, another one will be changed in the same proportions. If we unlock it, we can change only one of them. Okay, let's go back, Ctrl Z, and now this is our image. To start the animation, we have just to click here and to create our first keyframe. Okay, now let's say at the very beginning our image is like that, and then after 3 seconds I'm moving the slider onto 3 seconds position. I want it to be, I did left click on my image, and you can do it by changing position of the slider, but I will do it by clicking on one of this point and dragging it like this. So after 3 seconds I want my image to be like that, then continue, and on 10 seconds I did left click, I want it to be like this. Okay, and at the very end let it be smaller. Okay, let's see now. We're going to the very beginning, and you see there is one issue always. You see at the very beginning animation starts, but the position of our image is a little bit like changed. So let us move it back. Just click and move it back, put it on its beginning place. Okay, and now let's see. Zooming out, zooming in. And zooming out again. That's it. Thank you. Bye.